You guys see these things right here? We've got a neck duster. I've also got a brush, and I've got some Alex Kouras, which is multiple things all in one. So it's a coolant, it's a disinfectant, it's a lubricant, it's a cleaner, and it's a rust preventer. All right. So when you're cutting your own hair, and this is the mistake right here. Don't be like a lot of people and be unclean, right? Make sure that you keep your clippers and your trimmers taken care of, and that you're utilizing the brush frequently throughout the haircut, and then when you're done the haircut as well. So I'll show you guys will see this throughout the program, but whenever I cut my hair, in between each guideline, or I'm going from right to the left side of my head, I'm always brushing off the hair from my clippers, from my trimmers, from my scissors, everything. From my hands, I'm pushing it off the vanity, I'm pushing it inside the sink so nothing falls onto the floor. But you guys, brushing the clippers, brushing all of your tools while you're cutting your hair, and then when you're finished the haircut, is going to seriously help increase the longevity of your tools, because I don't want to have to buy new clippers and trimmers every single year or every 6 months. So I want these to last me years on years on years. I don't want to spend money. That's the whole reason why we're cutting our own hair in the first place, to save money. So how do you save money? By spending an extra minute or two just making sure you're brushing the blades so that there's no hair jammed inside that's going to affect how they cut and then eventually destroy the motor. So you want to make sure you're always brushing your tools while you cut your hair, literally during the haircut, and then at the end when you're finished cleaning everything up. Now, this right here, Alex Kouras, it's like $15 on Amazon. That's it, 15 bucks. I think I've had this thing for at least 2 years now. This and it's still like, I'd say like halfway. It's at least halfway full, and I've had this for like 2 years. Literally, all you need to do with this, it's a lubricant, it's a coolant, it disinfects the blades, and it lubricates the blades. It's a cleaner, and it's a rust preventer. Prevents rust, which is what? It helps them last longer. Right? This whole bottle right here for 15 bucks helps your tools last, I want to say forever, but it's not going to last forever, but it's going to last a very long time using this thing right here. And so I can even show you, ready? I'm going to show you how the trimmers and the clippers sound. I'm going to shake this so that the CO2 in here gets fired up. I'm going to spray it. I'm going to show you guys right here. Ready? This is how it sounds without spraying it. Okay? Now watch. Let me spray it. You see how much faster that just went? That's it. Boom. Let it run for a few seconds. And then you can wipe it clean, right? You saw how fast the blade started cutting, right? That's because every 1 to 3 haircuts, you have to be doing this to all of your tools. Every 1 to 3 haircuts, all right? So at least once a month, I would say. At least once a month, give your clippers and your trimmers a nice spray. So let me go ahead and show you the clippers now. Right, you hear it? You hear how the frequency changed? That's it. Open the lever a little bit. Let the oil seep into the blades. And then boom, that's it. Let it sit for a second, wipe it clean, good to go. Ready? Let's do the chemi clippers as well. Ready? You hear the difference? What a difference. All right, I'll let it run for a second. Oops. Rotate the lever, get the oil inside. Done. And now I can just go ahead, grab a piece of toilet paper or paper towel and just wipe them clean, and then you're good to go. Put them away. But you guys, this is super important to maintaining your clippers and your trimmers longevity. Every 1 to 3 haircuts, you need to be spraying the Andis Cool Care on your tools. This is going to help them last a very, very long time. And I have to emphasize this a lot because there's a lot of people in this world that are not clean people, and then their things start breaking on them, and then the motors die, the cutting blades start to get weak, and you're like, oh, I have to buy new clippers now because the motor's not working or the blades aren't sharp anymore. Well, guess what? Guess what? Look how fast these things are now. These things they're zooming, they're ready to cut. So you have to take care of them. Again, Andis Cool Care. It's a coolant. It's a 5-in-1 coolant, disinfecting, so it disinfects all of your tools. All right, so you're not putting dirty or bacteria-filled clippers and trimmers on your skin. It's a lubricant, so it keeps keeps the blades, the moving blades, moving smoothly for, you know, however long you need to cut your hair for. It's a cleaner, and most importantly, a rust preventer. So the bad boys, because why? They're metal, they're gonna last a long time because it's a rust preventer as well. So as you guys saw, very important, always brush your clippers during and after the haircut, so you remove all the hair, and then spray them bad boys with some Andis Cool Care at least once a month or every 1 to 3 uses.